Do you like the outdoors? I live in them. I'm West. That's Icarus. That's Wings. That's Lucifer. Lucifer. Like and subscribe for more outdoors shenanigans. He's a desert dog. Hey-oh, Badlands. Badlands National Park. It's really hard to pull over to the side of the road when you're towing a trailer. I hope I can get a better shot, but just in case, here's what it looks like when you're driving by at 40 miles an hour. Badlands National Park, doing the things national parks do. I'm just trying to get you like the coolest scenery here. That mountain in front is dope looking. Oh man. Badlands National Park. They're lands and they're made of bad stuff. Badlands National Park. It's not a good place to do good things. Ooh, pretty. Ooh, so pretty. I can't believe, oh, that window is disgustingly dirty. I realized today how disgusting the inside of my truck is and how desperately it needs to be cleaned. The last time it got cleaned was right before New Jersey. And the vacuum took quarters, and I only got to vacuum half, maybe a quarter of my truck. I mean, I got all the big stuff, but all the detail work was left. And the detail work is shining through now as disgusting. Also, very rarely wash the inside of my windows, but it is high past time. And that's just because I typically don't notice, and by the time I do notice, it's way past the time that they needed to be washed. So it's coming. You'll have clear vistas at some point in the future. I don't know when that'll be, but it's at someday you'll be able to see out my windows as well as I can see out my windows. I mean, I guess that's happening right now, but we'll be able to see out the windows much better than we currently can. So that's a thing. Badlands National Park, doing the things national park. It's not the Good Lands National Park, 'cause the lands are bad. They don't get presents from Dad on Christmas. I promise you that through the buggy window and bouncing around, this park is not as magnificent as, it just doesn't look as good. Also, cameras don't make things look as good as they do in person. Go outside. Are you annoyed by my Badlands National Park song yet? I definitely am. So I'll probably only sing it 5 or 6 more times. Badlands National Park, it's a national park that's not good 'cause it's bad. Suck it. There are amazing places in this world. Go hike around them, or drive through them, or pick your nose and flick it while you're staring at them. I don't care, but your life will be improved if you try to see some of these awesome places. Or stay at home and watch my videos more often and share them with your friends and their friends, and make sure you tell them that they should like and subscribe and possibly sign up for Patreon, which I haven't fully figured out. I don't know. Really, I'd like to have more than 75 fans. I think 73 was the last I looked. So, shooting for 100, baby. Let's go.